Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a secret chat in Telegram. Now, the secret chat feature in Telegram is designed for maximum security, so messages are end-to-end encrypted, plus they aren't stored on Telegram servers. Now, to do this, you want to open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, search for and open the conversation of the person you want to start a secret chat with. Then tap on their name at the top. On the next page, you want to tap the three dots in the top right corner. And from the menu, you want to look for the option that says Start Secret Chat and simply tap it. And finally, confirm by tapping Start. Telegram will send a request to the other person, and the secret chat will only begin once they accept. Once it's active, you'll notice it looks slightly different from a regular chat. And that's it. You've successfully created a secret chat in Telegram and unlocked one of its most powerful privacy features. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.